Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace fuel filter inside engine. This little fuel filter. Let's have a look inside engine. It's very simple, but not many people do the right thing. My opinion is fuel system is very important than anything else, so you better look after all the time. Yeah, this is a fuel filter. You have to remove this cover first. This is a 10mm bolt. So once you take it off cover, this fuel filter in there, just turn around. This is old one. It's old one and new one. Just easy, just put it in and then put back in. Yeah, should be enough. And then cover, so just put them back again. Okay, that's it. Simple and easy. Thank you for watching. Cheers.